Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am still super sick, unfortunately. I have some weird virus that's going around Colorado and it's like super not easy to get rid of. It's like a cold mixed with like a flu mixed with like death. So that is why I sound so horrible still, but I'm continuing filming anyways. So I'm really sorry if I sound super whack in this video because I sound really whack to myself. So I'm sure I sound really weird on camera too. But I finally got this palette. I'm so excited to review it. This is my first Kylie Cosmetics palette ever. I've never bought one before until now. And I bought the Blue Honey palette. And look, there's honey on the back. It's so cute. And then like the inside has like those little like beehive things. But here it is. Look, she's winking and then she's crying. The heck. So this palette looks like this. There's so many beautiful colors in here. I'm so excited about this yellow. I'm like, yellow eyeshadow, who knew? Anyways, and then I'm also going to put this lovely Wet n Wild highlighter on for the first time, the pressed one from the Megaglo line that they have, because I destroyed this in my highlighter video, but I'm going to put it on for the first time now, so that's exciting. And those are the two things I'm going to be reviewing in this video, so let's get started. Alright guys, so I already did this eye with this palette. I haven't done my eyelash or anything yet, but I'm going to show you how to do this eye, like this one. So first, I'm going to go in with Raw, which is this color here, and we're going to put that all over the lid. It's so weird to have one full eye done. I always do like back and forth, so this is new for me. Okay, so your eye is all based. I'm going in with a fluffy brush. I'm going to be using Sweet Like Honey to get like that wing. I'm going to take this first brush and I just kind of make sure everything's good. Next, I'm going to take concealer, just a little bit for a cut crease. We're just going to take this little brush now. Now, I'm just going to go in with a flat brush, and I'm going to be using Bumble, this sparkly gold color, and that's going to be the color we're putting over that. I'm just going to take my fluffy brush originally, kind of blend this yellow back down. And then next, I'm taking this little brush here, and I'll be using Blue Honey. I'm going to be doing that under my eye, the outer part of it, to like the middle. So about there, bring it up a little bit. Then take this tiny little blending brush. I'm going to be using Buzz Off. We're going to put that on the inner corner. I'm taking this same brush that I used for the first blue color. I'll be using Royal Jelly, and that's going to be on the inner bottom part of my eye. And then I'm going to go back in with Buzz Off, blend those together. Then I'm taking another fluffy brush. I'm going to go in with Busy Bee. I'm just going to put a tiny bit of it in my outer crease. And then that is the full eyeshadow look. Now I'm just going to add the eyeliner. And then we're going to add some mascara to make it pop more. So this is I Look with her palette. I think it looks really pretty. It's so colorful and bright and it's just so lovely. And the shadows blend really well together. They look beautiful, and like even though these colors are really crazy, they just all go so nicely together. And this eye look is a little crazy, but I wanted to go a little extreme with it. And now we're gonna move on to the highlight. Now we're gonna try this new highlight out. This color is called Blossom Glow. It's so pink and pretty. Alright, so I'm just gonna take this little fluffy brush here. Just gonna go right in here. Put a little bit on my nose. Yeah, this highlight is so pretty. Like, look at how cute it is. I love pink highlighters. They're some of my favorite. And this just blends out so seamlessly. And it looks good on blush. It doesn't look all like weird on top of it, which is nice. Alright guys, so this is my eyes with eyelashes on. So much more dramatic. Alright, now we're gonna do lippies. So I'm using my trusty London lip liner. And then since I did a Kylie palette, I'm gonna use Dolce K for my lips. If you guys haven't tried any of her lip colors before, they're really good. Like, they stay on, I think, the best out of all the liquid lipsticks I own. And they're really creamy. And they don't like over dry out my lips like a lot of them do. If you've been watching me for a little bit, you know my lips are always so dry because they just don't really like me, I guess. But these don't dry out my lips too crazy, and they feel good on the lips and they last. Like, I have to scrub really hard with like a makeup wipe to get this off of my face. So if you guys haven't tried her stuff, like her liquid lips, you should totally just get one and try it out. And they smell really good. Alright, my lips are all carved out now. So let me spray this setting spray real quick. Urban Decay's All Nighter Spray. Take a bath in it. Get my hair on like normal-ish. Alright guys, so this is the final look. If you guys have not tried the Blue Honey palette, you totally should pick one up and just test it out. These colors are just so beautiful. They blend out really well. Like, they better blend out well. This palette is like $38. So this thing better work for how small it is. I know that's a hefty price for this small of a palette, but they are really nice. They do blend out well. They're very colorful, pigmented, so you don't need to use a whole lot to get the look that you're trying to create, which is awesome. So it should last you a while. It shouldn't just be like gone. The Megaglo pressed powder highlighter is really nice. I figured it would be because the liquid ones are really nice. So I understand the craze over these. They work really well, just like a super expensive highlighter would. They're pretty pigmented. Like, you don't need a whole lot of it. You can see it really well. Like, do you see that cheek? Holy glow. Which, if you don't like something that's super intense, this might not be a good highlighter then, because I didn't use much. And it's super bright and popping, and I'm glowing from across the room, like, super intensely. So if you don't love that, then I would not pick this up. If you want to glow really intensely and be all bomb, then this is a great highlighter for you to try out. And yeah, that's what I think about those things. You should try them out. This is $5, $4.99 I'm pretty sure, for this highlighter, which is really good. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a thumbs up and don't forget to comment below. Please subscribe. I would love that if we could be friends. And yeah, have a good rest of your day, guys. Sorry I sound so bad that I'm so sick, but love you guys. Bye.